Y'all, when you guys make stuff like this out of your own hands with your own bare hands, come at me. You know, I think you guys be making knives, manufacturing knives, and designing. You guys haven't even made a knife by hand. You guys just draw pictures and send them to China for mass production. That's not actual testing of designs, making sure they work for a lifetime. There's more to making a knife than people think. That's for the homie Tim. Much love to Tim. This is on washers. Needs a little break in, but it's good. Y'all have a good day. Wow.